Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a special unboxing. This is a sport watch from Xiaomi. It's called the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So let's go with the unboxing. I found it, it's just a newly product on Jarir bookstore. So I thought, I wanted a sport watch. I want to get something updated. It's really nice, especially the price. Price is crazy. The price is just, it's kind of crazy, man. It's less than $100. Talking about maybe $85. So let's open up the box. Basically, you pull it from down here, and once you do so, bam, you find just like this. It looks really, really beautiful. Now, before we just go any further, let's just take a look at some specs here. So here it says built-in standard GPS, multiple fitness modes. We have water resistant for 1 meter up to 50 meters actually. We have screen auto brightness, 1.4 colorful HD touchscreen, and we're gonna see if it's OLED. I adopt it and OLED. They would advertisement. So it has also 24 hours heart rate monitor. So that's really good stuff for sub $100, less than $100 actually. So in reals, it's 300 reals, guys. So it's really, really crazy. So let's take out the box here. How can we open this? We have to open it from this side. And this side, I guess. Oh, okay. So we have a charging deck, as you can see. It's plastic. It has a good some texture on it. USB. So yeah, you have to keep this. If you lose this, you're not gonna be able to charge this watch, unfortunately. So you have to keep it safe so you don't lose it. Let's take out the watch. How to take this watch out, man? Oh, okay, so we do it getaways, just like in the ghetto. All right, so the color is navy blue, and this is one of the colors, and it looks really, really beautiful. Look at this color, guys. It looks really beautiful. So let's take out the wrap, stickers, and I'll show you if it's actually, it looks beautiful. I mean, it really looks nice. It has the shape like an Apple Watch, so you would actually like it. And the color is beautiful also. So just like I'm wearing like this though, this is a navy blue color, so it fits this color perfectly. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here. So as you can see, the bands here, you can change the bands, and you can see the switches over here. You can just click on it and take the band out. So that's a good thing. But for now, it has a heart rate sensor, as you can see over here. And this is the start and turn off and turn on a button. Let's just try and open it, see if there is any juice. Yep, there is a juice actually, and QR code. Let's just try to skip, pair with the watch. Oh, we have to pair it. Anyways, so we have to pair it. The good thing is that it's nice. It's not pixelated. It's nothing, no crazy stuff going on. But so far it looks very nice and beautiful. So we're gonna do what do you call it? I'm gonna do a review later on. I'm gonna check things out. I'm gonna, link it to my phone and see how to actually works with the application as well. So yeah, this is the Mi Watch Lite, and I'm very, very interested to see how this watch works as a sport watch, the accuracy, everything else, how it actually goes. So I know the application is good. It shows you, I have the scale also, have the Xiaomi scale. So I'm very, very interested to see how this watch fits with the scale and the accuracy with the application as well. So stay tuned with the full review, guys. Thank everybody for watching. Take care and see you later.